I get asked quite a bit if I'm going to put an exhaust on my MT07 because they sound really good with an exhaust, but honestly, I don't think I ever will. Because from the factory, they're pretty quiet, and a lot of the places I end up riding is places like this, and it's really pretty scenery, and other people come here just to hang out and chill, and honestly I would kind of feel like a douchebag if I came in here with like a super loud bike and just disturbing the peace basically. So some of the other or most of the other riding that I do is kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and if I'm doing some spirited driving out in the middle of nowhere, it'd probably be better if people couldn't hear that I was out there and hear how fast I'm going. Not that I would ever go fast, but if it's out in the middle of nowhere and if people can't hear you, they don't know you're there and they don't know how quickly you're going. So I would think flying under the radar would be a little bit better of an idea, because when I start my bike, it's not very loud. Probably not any louder than any normal people car, honestly. So I would rather be kind of respectful and not super loud. And also the good thing is that people probably aren't gonna get mad at you and think that you're disturbing the peace and stuff. So if you're doing something kind of sketchy, they're also less likely to call the cops on you because they literally won't even know that you're there. So I don't believe I will be putting an exhaust on my bike, even though it would sound super sick. It's going to be quite loud and probably not worth it.